In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of ensuring OneDrive is running on your PC. This is a common issue that many users face when they encounter problems with syncing their files. But don't worry, we're here to walk you through it smoothly and effectively. To get started, you'll want to make sure that your OneDrive application is properly installed on your computer. Navigate to your Start menu, and in the search bar, type OneDrive. If you see it in the search results, that means it's installed. But if it's not showing up, you'll need to download it from the official Microsoft website. Once you've confirmed OneDrive is installed, the next step is to check if it's running. You can do this by looking at your system tray, which is located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Click on the little arrow to show all hidden icons, and look for the OneDrive Cloud icon. If you see it, that means the app is running. If not, you will have to start the application. You can do this by going back to your Start menu, locating OneDrive, and clicking on it to open it. Now, if OneDrive is having trouble starting, a quick restart of your computer might resolve the issue. A fresh reboot can often clear any minor glitches. After restarting, check again in the system tray for the OneDrive icon. Next, let's make sure that OneDrive starts automatically when you boot up your PC. To do this, you'll need to open the OneDrive application. Click on the cloud icon in your system tray and select Help Settings. Choose Settings from the menu, and in the Settings tab, make sure the option labeled Start OneDrive automatically when I sign into Windows is checked. This ensures OneDrive runs each time your computer is turned on, keeping your files in sync always. If OneDrive is running but you're still facing issues, it might be a connectivity problem. Check your internet connection. It's essential for syncing your files. A strong and stable connection is needed for OneDrive to operate smoothly. You might want to try disconnecting from your network and reconnecting, or using a different network to see if that resolves the glitch. Sometimes, an update to OneDrive might also be in order if it hasn't been updated in a while. Head over to the Microsoft Store and search for OneDrive to see if there's a pending update. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for receiving the latest improvements and security enhancements. Lastly, if all else fails, you might need to reset OneDrive. This is a bit of a last resort as it will disconnect all your current connections, but it's an effective way consistently to solve deeper issues. Simply find OneDrive in the Apps section of your settings and follow the prompts to reset it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have a fully functioning OneDrive on your PC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and tips. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.